Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Kindergarten Video Lectures. Let's explore, learn, and have fun together on this exciting educational journey. It's story time.
A bird found an envelope near its egg's nest. Bird thought it was the elephant's, so it gave him back. The elephant was happy. Helping is good.
Let's meet with new sounds.
Ah, ah, ah.
Let's do actions with me.
Eggs in the pan. Ah, ah, ah. Eggs in the pan. Ah, ah, ah. Eggs in the pan. Ah, ah, ah. Crack the egg like this. Ah.
Every object has an initial sound. Like
Envelope, egg, elephant. Envelope. Egg. Elephant. Dear kids, what do you know about egg? And what is the color of an egg?
see you in the next lesson.